Hi, welcome back to Love Luxury. Today we're going to be talking about this extra special Rolex Sky-Dweller, and this watch is currently available to purchase here at Love Luxury in Knightsbridge on Beauchamp Place. This particular Rolex is called a Sky-Dweller. Now, the model number of this is 326934, and it has this blue dial, which is exceptionally sought after right now in the Rolex market. While all versions of the Sky-Dweller are popular, the blue dial is by far the most in demand of them all. So let's get this beauty out of the box and off the holder, the foam holder, and have a closer look. The Sky-Dweller was introduced in 2012 and currently now in 2022 it's having its 10th year anniversary. Now, you may look at the watch and say, what are all these bubbles on it? Oh God, it's an awful watch. No, we have wrapped this watch so that nobody scratches it, as it is brand new. It's never been used, and we actually wrap all of our watches here at Love Luxury. The dial layout is actually unlike any other Rolex watch, and what's really cool is that it has month and date markers. Now, this is January, February, March, April, May, June and July, and this is the date. We are on the 27th of July 2022. This internal dial here can be used either for UK time or for away time if you were traveling. So you can set your watch to the current country, or you can set that to back home. You can decide which suits you more. What is unlike any other model of Rolex is the fact that this bezel that rotates actually works as a definer on what you're going to be changing on the dial, so that then you can just clip out the crown, turn it round, and it will change whatever you set the bezel to change. The original Sky-Dwellers came with an oyster bracelet, and this Jubilee bracelet on a Sky-Dweller was introduced in 2021. And we believe that the reason behind that is because it is such a dressy looking watch. It does look like a statement piece dress watch. So they've added on the fancier strap to make it stand out and look just that little bit more special. So on the Jubilee, we have 2 larger parts of the link and 3 central parts. So all in all, there are 5 pieces to each link, and the external ones are brushed and the internal ones are polished down the center there. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to hit subscribe, like and comment. This model watch was designed for travelers in mind, and Rolex actually wanted to produce something that didn't have any formal history, that it was going to have its own new history. They also wanted to produce something that was highly sophisticated, and I think you'd have to agree with me that this indeed is a sophisticated looking watch. This particular model is the white roller saw, and what that means that this particular model is steel and white gold, and every single one of the Sky-Dweller's bezels will always be in gold. The Sky-Dweller comes in solid white gold, solid yellow gold, solid rose gold. It also comes in yellow roller saw, which is yellow gold and steel. An interesting fact about the calendar, as I mentioned, these are the month markers as we go around, but the date actually, you can see it there just under the minute keeper there, is that dependent on the month, the date will automatically correct to 30 or 31. However, it doesn't do with leap years, unfortunately. The Sky-Dweller is effectively a GMT watch, and it has the GMT function, which means that it can keep track of 2 time zones. This model is so sophisticated, it doesn't need a multitude of buttons on the side of the casing. It just needs this turning bezel and rotating crown. In 2014, a further 3 more references were released in relation to the Sky-Dweller. In 2017, 2 more model references were released, and in 2021, a further 2 more models. So in total, we have 10 different models of the Sky-Dweller available on the Rolex market at this present time. The Sky-Dweller flaunts a 72-hour time reserve. This Sky-Dweller with reference 326934 with a blue dial has a market value that's about twice its official retail price. Now, one of the more obvious explanations is that the material and colour combination fits right into the white metal blue face watch trend that is going forward in 2022. The Sky-Dweller sports a folding oyster clasp with easy 5mm extension link in the back here. So if you are feeling a little bit swollen, you can actually just release that. You don't need to go to a jeweller's or have any links put in or taken out. The Sky-Dweller also sports a solid case back. Thank you so much for joining us today to watch our video about the infamous Rolex Sky-Dweller. We hope that you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like and comment.